kien naqas kont out meta met, so għax jien I came out at 16.
Okay.
And a part of me thinks maybe the only reason I felt safe to was because he had just passed away and I knew my mom would be relaxed. My mom is
Pero isu l-papa, isu kien jaf.
Zgur kien jaf, għax kien hemm ċertu kummenti li kien jgħid il-mami u ċertu affarijiet li kien that fairy of a child is not mine and stuff like that.
Kien jaf. Matt.
Kien jaf. U per esempio, daddy kien.
Għax jekk tajt it-tifel my fair.
Le, id-daddy u ħanajlok, id-daddy kien xaħat li kien fissat fuq il-futbol u għek, u jien ħreġ nibbazja ma' Spice Girls, nikkampja meta kon zaħir, nisfen u għek.
Beyoncé.
Issa, bad Beyoncé. Mbagħad veru, mbagħad l-ewwel concert, imma ngħid daw l-affarijiet kollha ma l-ewwel concert li għad mort ta' Destiny's Child. Daddy kien ħadni, kellix 11 u daddy kien morna Londra biex so it was that
Xorta ħadek.
Yeah, it was difficult, but deep down he was humaning as well and he was trying his best. So that's why I say it was difficult, but it wasn't a traumatic upbringing. It was just a learning. He was someone learning and I was someone learning, because though he would say these comments, he was still in a concert listening to Bootylicious.